Hi everyone, this is Akshay and welcome to my channel Motoxic Head. So in this video we are gonna unbox SJ Cam's action camera, which is cheap and best at this segment for beginners. And this is the box which I got from an online shopping. So this is the cam box. So on the front hand side we have SJ Cam's branding. Here we have is this camera name SJ4000 action camera 2.0, and here we have a camera details. This is a 12 megapixel camera, 13 minutes water resistance, and this is a 2K camera. So the resolution what it captures is in 2K. And on the right hand side we have includes. So these are the list of materials which we are gonna get inside this box. So these are camera, waterproof casing, helmet mode, some extenders, handle mode, and few more extenders. On the left hand side we have again we have a branding here, and we have a QR code here. Using this QR code we can download the official app of SJ Cam from Google Play or Apple Store respectively. And on the back side we have a specification details which says it has a 12 megapixel camera and lens is 156 plus HD wide angle lens, and the format for image is JPG and the video is in MP4. Battery we have here is 900 mAh battery which is removable, and when it comes to storage it says that supports up to 128 GB micro SD card. So these are the specification details present on the box. So let's see how it is inside. So this is a first base covering. It has a solid packing, I must say this. Okay. So here we have a camera with a waterproof casing. So this has a waterproof casing already. We have a lock here, and here we have some adapters. This is a handlebar, few extending knobs, a plastic covering. So this is a non-waterproof seal which we can change it later on. So this is some extenders. This is an helmet holder. We can mold this to our helmets. And this is some extenders, holders, and some few more extenders. And also we have a cloth inside here, user manual, and here also we have a QR code, and this is the user manual which help us to operate this cam. And this is some few free stickers. So what I'm okay, and here we have a data cable which we can use to charge it, and these are some free 3M stickers, and this is a band. I think this is a wristband. So these are the things which you are gonna get in this box along with the camera. So this is the cam. Oh, I have removed this waterproof casing lock over here. So this is how the cam looks like. So this is the waterproofing case which I got in box, and so this is the camera. This is how it looks. At the front side we have a on button, and at the top side we have a OK button. It is used for selecting the modes, and this is the screen. And at the right hand side we have a USB port here, and along with that we have a memory card slot holder. As I said, this can hold a memory card of 128 GB. And at the bottom side we have a battery slot, You can open this, and it's a removable battery. There you go. Okay, finally. So you can just pull it, and this is the battery. This battery capacity is 900 mAh battery. So this is it. This is about the camera. So how do we mount it? So as per now, I'm gonna use this for my motovlogging. So I'm gonna attach this to my helmet. So let's see. Okay, to add this camera on your helmet, you need to attach this mold to a helmet. There is a 3M sticker here. You can directly attach it to your front side, or the right hand side, or the left hand side of your helmet. Some people also attach this on the top of their helmet, wherever it is convenient for them. I'm going to attach this at the front side of this helmet because of the accessibility and easy to operate. But there is a issue here. It's not as flat as I required on my helmet. So there is a lot of curve on my helmet where it will not completely sit on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a flat surface on my helmet using this M-Seal. So as I said, I have attached the mold to my helmet. It is the M-Seal. It's perfectly fit now. So I can just slide this camera here and attach it. 1 second. So just slide like this. Yeah, my motovlog helmet is ready. So let's go for a spin and see how it captures the video, and we'll also check the video quality and the audio quality also. So let's go. So it has an internal mic. There is no option for an external mic here. So this is the night vision. So this is the night view. So that was the video quality of this camera, both in daytime as well as nighttime. And I also added the audio also, so you can have an idea that how this internal mic captures the audio. Now if you ask me to give a quick review on this camera, uh, it's a cheap and affordable. The price range starts from 5k to 6k in India, and the whatever the additional modes you require for adding this to your helmet or to a handlebar, you get complete setup in your box. So that is the main advantage. And video quality, I leave it to you. I have added the video quality in my blog, so you can have a look and you can decide on audio and video. It's completely on yours. And when it comes to handling this camera, it's quite easy. You can add this camera features to your mobile using the SJ cams, and you can easily access your camera and you can easily operate it from there. So it's quite friendly when it comes to using this camera. When it comes to battery, I have continuously used this camera for 2 hours, and battery got dried out after 2 hours. So the battery backup comes for almost 2 hours. So that is what I got. So the major disadvantage in this camera is you don't have an option to add an external mic. So there is no slot here to add an external mic. So while you're riding and vlogging, you get lot of air and a lot of noise from outside, which blocks your audio also. So this is a disadvantage of this camera. Leaving that, this is quite friendly and cheap and best camera if you ask me. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and for instant update you can follow me on Instagram. The link is below in the description, and thank you for watching.